Good morning, YouTube, or good afternoon. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how to replace wiper blades. Conventional, old style, and then the beam blades, the newer style. They both got the lever type of release. On this one here, you're just going to lift it up, turn it, and right here is the releasing a mechanism, the releasing lever. Right there, you just press up on it and then down, and it opens up and comes off. And then to just put it back on, you simply do the same thing. You get the little hook right here. You want to go up through it. See how it's on there like that? You go through the wiper blade onto the arm and then bring it up until it clicks. You heard that click, you know it's on good. And I always give it a couple of tugs just to make sure it's snapped into place. All right, and that is your old style wiper blades. The newer style, the beam blade, it's over here. These you gotta go, it's kind of different with the hook. You gotta go up through the inside of the blade. Let's see. So you wanna lift it up. There's a door or lever right here, door. Pop it open, then come in from right here where the arm, where the wiper is. Bring it down and go up through there with your finger. You'll feel the lever. Push up on it, and then it releases it, and it comes right off. And then to put them on, you're just gonna do the hook the same way. This right here is the mechanism, just like the old style, but it just has a door, and you go in through the front. You want to go up, just like that, and then hook it into place, and then tug it a few times to make sure it's staying, and then close your door back, lock it into place so you know it's not going to come off, so it's not going nowhere. That's your beam blade. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I need some subscribers. Please subscribe. Thank you. All right, a little bonus feature here. I took the wiper blade off. Here's the lever that you got to pull up on. The hook would go, the wiper arm would go right there. Okay, goes up through there, boom, click into place. And here is the lever right there. I hope you can see it. You push in on that, and that releases the wiper arm. Okay, and on the conventional, on the that's a conventional blade. On the beam blade, okay, here's the beam blade. Okay, here's the door, open. Okay, remember you got to go in from below, right here where the wiper is. Go in through here, and right, let me get down here so I can see. Right there is where the releasing mechanism is to lock it and unlock it. Right there, boom, inside there. And then that will release the arm. Gotta go from the other direction. That'll release the arm from through here, like that. And then put the arm back on, and you close the door, just like that. That's the beam blade. Remember, you gotta go through here, like this, flip the door open, reach up through, and release it. Release it right there from underneath. Thank you. Have a good day.